Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning Channel. Today, we'll provide you with a quick demo of the GridMate Dynamic Record Card. This component can be configured to dynamically display a list of fields. Let's dive in. Edit the Lightning page on the App Builder. Ensure that the master component has the Enable Dynamic Interaction option checked. And then on the Component Explorer search for GM Dynamic Record Card. Drag and drop the component into the page. Card icon set standard account. Object name set account. Record ID field set ID. Parent object name set account. Set a field set as parent grid name. Set parent grid code. Set record fields that you want to display. In this example, the fields are name, website, and billing country. Check the show border. That's it. Click Save. Click Back. Once you click on a record, the record card dynamically displays. Without a doubt, we can edit the fields if desired. Thank you for watching.